점수 잡는
hackers.
해커스 토익 실전 천재 토 리스닝.
Test 5. Listening test. In this section, you must demonstrate your ability to understand spoken English. This section is divided into 4 parts and will take approximately 45 minutes to complete. Do not mark the answers in your test book. Use the answer sheet that is provided separately. Part 1. Directions. For each question, you will listen to 4 short statements about a picture in your test book. These statements will not be printed and will only be spoken one time. Select the statement that best describes what is happening in the picture and mark the corresponding letter A, B, C, or D on the answer sheet. Look at the picture below. Now, listen to the 4 statements. A.
The man is looking at the monitor.
B.
The man is sitting at the desk.
C.
The man is typing a letter.
D.
The man is holding a cup.
The statement that best describes the picture is B.
The man is sitting at the desk.
So you should mark letter B on the answer sheet. Now, Part 1 will begin. Number 1. Look at the picture marked number 1 in your test book. A.
A woman is putting on a hat.
B.
A woman is relaxing beneath some trees.
C.
A woman is jogging along a trail.
D.
A woman is skiing on the snow.
Number 2. Look at the picture marked number 2 in your test book. A.
The women are sipping their drinks.
B.
The women are posing for a picture.
C.
One of the women is setting up camera equipment.
D.
One of the women is unwrapping a gift.
Go on to the next page. Number 3. Look at the picture marked number 3 in your test book. A.
Some people are exiting a greenhouse.
B.
Bouquets are being sold at an outdoor market.
C.
A customer is talking with a florist.
D.
Women are browsing plants.
Number 4. Look at the picture marked number 4 in your test book. A.
An apron is hanging from a hook.
B.
Shelves have been stocked with merchandise.
C.
The man is buying items at a cash register.
D.
The man is removing jars from a basket.
Number 5. Look at the picture marked number 5 in your test book. A.
Vehicles are on display at a dealership.
B.
A multi-level structure surrounds a parking lot.
C.
Windows overlook a garden area.
D.
Water is spraying from a fountain.
Number 6. Look at the picture marked number 6 in your test book. A.
Some people are sitting on stones.
B.
One of the people is walking up a hill.
C.
An airplane is taking off from a runway.
D.
Some pedestrians are photographing the jets.
Go on to the next page. Part 2. Directions. For each question, you will listen to a statement or question followed by 3 possible responses spoken in English. They will not be printed and will only be spoken one time. Select the best response and mark the corresponding letter A, B, or C on your answer sheet. Now, let us begin with question number 7. Number 7.
When are you planning to revise the schedule?
A,
If you can help me.
B,
A daily work plan.
C.
Later this afternoon.
Number 8.
Who posted the recent announcement?
A,
About a meeting.
B,
The secretary did.
C.
Yes, it's on the bulletin board.
Number 9.
How do you usually get to the mall?
A,
Only about 30 minutes.
B,
I take a taxi.
C.
To return some shoes.
Number 10.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
A,
It's not very comfortable.
B,
I don't think so.
C.
Please take only one pamphlet.
Number 11.
A holiday promotion is being offered now, right?
A,
The correct confirmation code.
B,
Yes, I was promoted.
C.
No, it starts this weekend.
Number 12.
Where is the new art gallery going to be opened?
A,
We close daily at 10 p.m.
B,
In Soho, most likely.
C.
Art school was a great experience.
Number 13.
How long are these batteries supposed to last?
A,
Up to 4 months.
B,
No, it was the first one I bought.
C.
For my digital camera.
Number 14.
Can you meet Mr. Lee at the train station?
A,
You'd better hurry then.
B,
Sorry, but my car is out of gas.
C.
We trained for 6 weeks.
Number 15.
What company are you writing for now?
A,
The Leyland Publishing Firm.
B,
I sent him an email about that.
C.
I'm not sure they received the letter.
Number 16.
Have you been to the Thai restaurant next to the subway station?
A,
Sure, I can recommend several.
B,
A chef will be arriving shortly.
C.
Not yet, but I'd like to go.
Number 17.
Why aren't employees getting bonuses this quarter?
A,
Yes, sometime in December.
B,
Because the company can't afford it.
C.
A promotion as well.
Number 18.
When do you expect to begin staff evaluations?
A,
Oh, probably not until next Monday.
B,
I'll be leaving at 7 o'clock.
C.
We don't expect any problems.
Number 19.
Who was the keynote speaker at the agricultural conference?
A,
Mr. Lowe is talking to some clients.
B,
The owner of an organic farm.
C.
At an agricultural association.
Number 20.
The flavors in the main dish are a bit too strong.
A,
I agree. They're not to my taste.
B,
These dishes must be rinsed off very well.
C.
When will you graduate from culinary school?
Number 21.
When did you begin accepting applications for the analysis job?
A,
Through the newspaper review.
B,
Not long ago.
C.
An important research grant.
Number 22.
This business plan summary turned out extremely well.
A,
Yes, it's very thorough.
B,
Why does it keep turning off?
C.
The planning committee is running late.
Number 23.
Why don't we have the staff outing at the end of May?
A,
We didn't take any time off.
B,
Have they handed them out yet?
C.
I think we should have it later.
Number 24.
Hasn't the museum put up some additional displays?
A,
I've never seen this play.
B,
This is a great exhibition.
C.
They are being set up at the moment.
Number 25.
The ferry departs from the pier at 5 p.m. precisely.
A,
You'll have to ask the ticketing agent.
B,
That's only an hour from now.
C.
An announcement for passengers.
Number 26.
The benefit concert was quite impressive, wasn't it?
A,
I'm looking forward to it also.
B,
It was well organized.
C.
We are concerned about it too.
Number 27.
Aren't there still people waiting to be interviewed?
A,
There are 2 candidates in the lobby.
B,
A magazine writer interviewed us.
C.
I saw it on the news last night.
Number 28.
Can I get you anything to eat or drink?
A,
On the back of the menu.
B,
Actually, I'll wait until my friend arrives.
C.
No, the lounge was very neat.
Number 29.
Has the supply store's delivery van been repaired?
A,
Yes, and it is already being used again.
B,
It has lots of storage space.
C.
Well, delivery will cost extra.
Number 30.
We need to hire professionals to clean the windows.
A,
They sent us a billing statement.
B,
Hang the sign a bit higher.
C.
I'll inquire about services.
Number 31.
Can you speak with Ms. Tanner or should I call her?
A,
I can't remember what it's called.
B,
I think I'll just send her an email.
C.
The contract information is in this file.
Part 3. Directions. In this part, you will listen to several conversations between 2 or more speakers. These conversations will not be printed and will only be spoken one time. For each conversation, you will be asked to answer 3 questions. Select the best response and mark the corresponding letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. Questions 32 through 34 refer to the following conversation.
Good morning. I don't have a reservation, but I would like to rent a car for a couple of days. Do you have anything available?
We do. What size car are you looking for?
Something spacious enough for 4 people. Also, is it possible to get our vehicle with a large trunk? We have quite a bit of luggage.
Of course. The CX2 sedan seats 5 people comfortably and has plenty of storage space. If you're interested in that vehicle, we can begin filling out the necessary paperwork. I'll just need to see your credit card and driver's license in order to proceed.
Number 32. Where most likely is the conversation taking place? Number 33. What does the man inquire about? Number 34. What does the woman ask the man to do? Questions 35 through 37 refer to the following conversation.
Spectrum Color Services. This is Danielle. What can I do for you today?
Hello, I was wondering if you could tell me how much you charge to paint a living room.
That would depend on the size of the room and the type of paint you choose. If you can give me that information, I could provide you with an estimate.
Well, I just want basic white paint, but I'm not certain about the size of the room. I'll go measure it right now and call you back in about 10 minutes.
Number 35. What type of business most likely is Spectrum? Number 36. Why is the man calling? Number 37. What does the man say he will do next? Questions 38 through 40 refer to the following conversation.
Laura, these necklaces are very impressive. Do you plan to sell them at your friend's boutique like your other pieces?
Yes. However, I feel as though my designs aren't getting enough attention. So I'm considering sending in an application to attend this year's National Jewelry Expo to better advertise my work.
That's a great idea. You could attract a lot of customers, provided that you actually go.
You think so? I'm still a bit hesitant. Operating a booth there can be expensive.
Numerous people have used exposure from that event to help boost their businesses. I'm sure the same would happen for you.
You're right. I'm going to download the application form now and fill it out.
Number 38. Who most likely is the woman? Number 39. Why does the man say,
Provided that you actually go.
Number 40. What does the man say about the expo? Questions 41 through 43 refer to the following conversation.
I'd like to discuss a recent assignment that you collaborated with the marketing team on.
No problem. Is there something specific you'd like to discuss?
Yes, there is. You included an incorrect location in this online advertisement. It states that there will be a sale at our Seattle branch on July 22nd. However, the sale is actually going to be at our Portland branch.
Really? I am so sorry about that. I must have missed that while proofreading the advertisement. I will make the necessary changes to the advertisement immediately.
Number 41. What did the man recently do? Number 42. What problem does the woman mention? Number 43. What does the man say he will do? Go on to the next page. Questions 44 through 46 refer to the following conversation with three speakers.
Hey, Randy, doesn't your shift start at 9 o'clock?
Yeah, I came in early this morning to unpack the Digi 5 game consoles. They just arrived and we need to get them on the shelves.
I see. Here, I'll help.
Sorry to interrupt. I know we don't open for 5 more minutes, but some customers have already started to form a line at the door. They're here for the Digi 5.
I was going to keep stocking the shelves after we opened, but we'd better finish soon if people are lined up.
Maybe one of us should ask Richard to give us a hand.
I can do that.
Thanks. He should be in the storeroom.
Number 44. Why did the man arrive early? Number 45. Why should the speakers finish a task now? Number 46. What does the man suggest? Questions 47 through 49 refer to the following conversation.
Jeff, I'm worried our cinema branch in Westchester requires extra personnel to handle the summer movie season. This is the busiest time of the year.
Yeah, the branch supervisor seems to think that's an important issue to address. He'd like 3 more people added to the evening shift.
In that case, could you make a job posting? Just include some basic details of the position and the minimum qualifications required.
Sure, I'll try to finish it before I break for lunch.
That'd be ideal. I'll publish it on our company website later this afternoon.
Number 47. What problem does the woman mention? Number 48. What does the man imply when he says,
The branch supervisor seems to think that's an important issue to address.
Number 49. What will probably happen later today? Questions 50 through 52 refer to the following conversation.
Hello, I'm calling to reserve 3 tickets for the Wild Animals Guided Tour at Jungle Wonderland this coming Saturday. How much will that cost?
It's $40 per person. The tour begins at 9 a.m. and will last 2.5 hours.
That's higher than I had expected. Have your rates changed recently? My friend went on the same tour last month and she said it cost $32 per person.
She must have our Jungle Wonderland annual pass card. Cardholders automatically receive a 20% discount on admission and tours in the wildlife preserve for a year.
Number 50. What is the purpose of the call? Number 51. What is the man concerned about? Number 52. How can visitors receive a discount? Questions 53 through 55 refer to the following conversation.
Aaron, I met up with our realtor a few hours ago. He showed me a vacant space that would be perfect for our recording studio.
Was the unit in a building on Ferguson Avenue? If so, I received an email from him about the vacancy last night.
Yes, that's the one. The space has a very practical layout. Plus, there is enough room for a reception area and a private office. I was even introduced to the owner of the building, Janet Davidson. She was quite welcoming and professional.
That sounds promising. Would you arrange another showing for tomorrow? I'd like to see the property too.
Number 53. What did Erin receive last night? Number 54. What did the man do several hours ago? Number 55. Who is Janet Davidson? Questions 56 through 58 refer to the following conversation.
Have you loaded the scuba gear into the boat yet? We need enough equipment to take 10 people on a diving trip.
Yeah, but I discovered a crack in one of the masks.
Really? That's a problem since the other dive group has taken all the spare ones with them.
Splash World, the dive supply shop, is really close to here. If they have any in stock, I can go pick one up. Why don't you give them a call and see if they have what we need?
Good idea. I'll get right on that. Only, do you know the store's phone number?
No, but I bet Reggie does.
Number 56. What are the speakers mainly discussing? Number 57. What does the woman mention about Splash World? Number 58. What does the man mean when he says,
I'll get right on that.
Questions 59 through 61 refer to the following conversation.
Hello, I'm in town for the medical equipment trade fair. Unfortunately, we have run out of brochures at our company's booth. I have everything you will need saved on this memory card and was wondering if I could get 300 copies printed today.
I'm sorry, but our schedule is really busy. The soonest I could get them to you is tomorrow afternoon.
I think that's too late, as I need them as soon as possible. Are there any other print shops nearby?
There aren't any others in this area. I'm afraid the closest one is on Dover Boulevard. You should take a taxi, though, as it closes in 30 minutes.
Number 59. Why has the woman stopped by the shop? Number 60. What is the woman's problem? Number 61. What will the woman most likely do next? Questions 62 through 64 refer to the following conversation with 3 speakers.
I think I'm ready for a new cell phone. Do either of you have any recommendations?
My phone has worked out great. The Shock Phone 20. It's fast and it has a modern design.
I've heard that model's great, but it's out of my budget.
Mine's a Plus Touch 50. It's pretty basic, but it's only $190.
The more cost-effective one sounds better. I'll purchase one at Harbour Cellular this weekend.
I heard that store is closed for renovations this month.
Looks like you'll have to go to Greystone Electronics instead. Fortunately, it's having a sale.
Thanks for the information. I wasn't aware about Harbour's closing.
Number 62. What does the man want to do? Number 63. What aspect of the Plus Touch 50 is the man interested in? Number 64. What is mentioned about Greystone Electronics? Go on to the next page. Questions 65 through 67 refer to the following conversation and building directory.
Excuse me, I'm scheduled to meet with Harvey Pinkerton. However, the office listed for him on the directory here in the lobby is incorrect. I went up to the second floor, but someone else was using the office which the directory mentions.
Oh, I'm very sorry for the inconvenience. Mr. Pinkerton is in another office, but the directory has yet to be updated. He should have told you about this.
So it seems. Well, where is his new one?
He's moved into Mr. Johnson's old office, which is down the hallway and to the right, just beside Marcus Swanson's office.
Okay, I'll head there now. Thanks.
Number 65. What did the woman already do? Number 66. What does the man imply about Mr. Pinkerton? Number 67. Look at the graphic. Which office will the woman head to? Questions 68 through 70 refer to the following conversation and coupon.
Hi, my blender broke down, so I need help finding a replacement. Also, I want to use this coupon for 15% off that I cut out of a local newspaper.
I'd be happy to assist you. Is there a particular model you are interested in?
I'm not sure, but I'd prefer not to spend more than $200. Do you have any suggestions?
Well, the Dicer 2 and the Total Blend are both in your price range, and they're made by Power Mix. The Chopmaster is Electrostar's most popular model and the most expensive. It's over $400. But that company also sells the Blend Pro, which is only $175.
Number 68. What is the man's problem? Number 69. How did the man acquire a coupon? Number 70. Look at the graphic. Which item will the man most likely use the coupon to purchase? Part 4. Directions. In this part, you will listen to several short talks by a single speaker. These talks will not be printed and will only be spoken one time. For each talk, you will be asked to answer 3 questions. Select the best response and mark the corresponding letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. Questions 71 through 73 refer to the following advertisement.
Join us at the Suarez Performing Arts Center for a one-evening performance by world-renowned violinist Won Chul Shin. Mr. Shin will perform an evening of classical pieces and modern works accompanied by the San Bernardo Symphony Orchestra. Recordings of Mr. Shin's music will be available for purchase after the concert. Doors for the concert open at 7:20 p.m. tomorrow, April 9th. For tickets and reservations, please call the box office at 555 7219. Don't miss out on your chance to see Won Chul Shin performing live. Make your reservations today.
Number 71. Who is Won Chul Shin? Number 72. What will be available at the event? Number 73. Why would listeners call the provided telephone number? Questions 74 through 76 refer to the following talk.
Good morning and welcome to this seminar on European clothing trends. I will be your lecturer today. My name is Caroline Legrand and I head the design department at Tyler Sharp Apparel. I'm delighted to see such a large turnout here today, as I will be discussing a very interesting topic that affects everyone within the fashion industry. All of you were handed a copy of today's program, which outlines everything that will take place. The lecture should last about 2 hours and take us right into lunch at noon. Then the afternoon session will get underway at 1 o'clock. For that segment, another fashion designer, Liv Holbein, will give a slideshow presentation. Okay, now let's begin.
Number 74. Where does the talk most likely take place? Number 75. What were given to the listeners? Number 76. What will the participants do in the afternoon? Questions 77 through 79 refer to the following announcement.
Hello, everyone. Thank you all for coming to the grand reopening of the Northfield Planetarium. Upon entering the building today, you'll be pleased to see that the majority of its sections have been completely renovated. In particular, our exhibit hall has undergone considerable changes. It now features a variety of educational displays that you can interact with through touchscreen technology. And to commemorate this special day, local astronomer Shane Donner will make a speech about his recent findings in his studies of outer space in Lecture Room B. However, that will be pushed back an hour later than planned. Mr. Donner is making preparations. In the meantime, please feel free to explore the facility.
Number 77. What is the announcement mainly about? Number 78. What is mentioned about the exhibit hall? Number 79. Why does the speaker say,
Mr. Donner is making preparations?
Questions 80 through 82 refer to the following announcement.
I'd like to let everyone know that our paper shredder will be replaced tomorrow. A technician looked at it this morning, and it appears that there is a serious problem with the blades that cut the paper. Plus, it's old and out of date, so now is the perfect time to get a new one. If you need to shred anything before then, just use the one in the accounting department's office on the 3rd floor. I think that's everything. Oh, hold on. We need someone to come in at 8 a.m. tomorrow to give the delivery person access to our office. Please let me know by 5 p.m. today if you wish to volunteer to do this.
Number 80. What did a technician do this morning? Number 81. Why does the speaker say,
Plus, it's old and out of date.
Number 82. What does the speaker suggest that the listeners do? Go on to the next page. Questions 83 through 85 refer to the following telephone message.
Hello, this is Tyrone Dyson calling from the City of Dallas's Department of Parks and Recreation. I received your message yesterday about possibly reserving the main room at the Pointer Park Community Center for a gathering on Saturday, September 2nd. Unfortunately, another group has already booked the space for that specific date you requested. However, I've contacted Dallas's other community center near Gleason Park and was informed that they do have a space available at that time. If you are interested in booking that room, let me know. You can check out details and photos of the space by visiting www.dallasrecreation.gov. Thanks and have a great day.
Number 83. Who most likely is the speaker? Number 84. According to the speaker, what does the listener want to do? Number 85. Why might the listener visit the online site? Questions 86 through 88 refer to the following talk.
My name is Samir Nasser, and I'm a consultant and motivational speaker. I've been invited here by your employer to speak about how developing strong communication skills can improve your work life. As telemarketers for a software company, your ability to communicate with customers is obviously an essential part of your job. It enables you to express your thoughts clearly and concisely, which will, in turn, improve clients' confidence in you. But communication skills are not only important when it comes to increasing sales, they're also crucial for fostering healthy work relationships. In fact, the number one cause of workplace conflict is poor communication. To help prevent such issues, I'd like us all to participate in some activities together aimed at strengthening interactions between colleagues.
Number 86. What most likely do the listeners do for work? Number 87. According to the speaker, why are communication skills important? Number 88. What does the speaker ask listeners to do? Questions 89 through 91 refer to the following news report.
My name is Anita Busby and you're tuned in to Channel 9 News. Today's top story is on Williamton Citizen of the Year Award. This year's recipient is Maud Evans, owner of Gately Automotive Dealership right here in Williamton. Miss Evans has been selected for the award in recognition of her charitable work in the Williamton community. Over the previous 6 months, she has devoted much of her personal time to collecting donations for Memorial Hospital, a local healthcare facility. Moreover, Miss Evans is also raising money in hopes of helping to establish the city's first performing arts centre. The award will be presented to Miss Evans on September 22nd at a dinner hosted by the Williamton City Council. The event will be attended by community leaders and city government officials.
Number 89. What is the main topic of the news report? Number 90. What is mentioned about Maud Evans? Number 91. What is implied about the city of Williamton? Questions 92 through 94 refer to the following telephone message and map.
Good morning, Richard. This is Sally. We need to find a new location for our department's Christmas party next month. I just called Golden China, the restaurant we discussed yesterday, but they said that 30 seats are not available on that day. They could accommodate us if we broke into smaller groups. But that's not really a good option. I was hoping you could call the new restaurant that opened on the corner of Jefferson Street and Parkinson Boulevard, right next to City Hall. I heard they have a private dining room. I'd call them myself, but I'm headed to the airport now. With the party coming up in only 3 weeks, we need to make a reservation as soon as possible. Thanks.
Number 92. What must the listener do? Number 93. Look at the graphic. Which restaurant does the speaker recommend? Number 94. According to the speaker, when will the company's event take place? Questions 95 through 97 refer to the following advertisement and price list.
It's that time of year again. Game Warehouse's Summer Blowout Sale. Unlike in previous years, some sales items are discounted up to 70%, and game systems are now included. If you're planning on purchasing a new system, then visit the Game Warehouse from July 20th until August 5th. And if you make a purchase of $250 or more during this event, we will throw in a free gaming accessory worth up to $30 as a gift. Note that cables and adapters for game consoles do not qualify as gifts for this promotion. Check out our website for more information about this event. We hope to see you soon.
Number 95. What can be inferred about Game Warehouse? Number 96. When will the event end? Number 97. Look at the graphic. Which item can customers receive for free? Questions 98 through 100 refer to the following broadcast and schedule.
Welcome to Entertainment News. The organizer of the annual Calgary Music Festival has announced an interesting addition to the lineup of daily headliners. The press release from Lisa Gomez, who is in charge of booking acts, stated that international superstar DJ James Money will join his former partner Carl Slocum for the first time in over a decade at the festival. This is very exciting news for local music lovers. Viewers interested in attending should purchase tickets soon, as they are likely to sell out quickly. A pass for the entire festival costs $49, while tickets for individual concerts cost $30. And remember, half of the proceeds will be donated to a local orphanage, so you will be supporting a worthy cause while enjoying some great music.
Number 98. Who most likely is Lisa Gomez? Number 99. Look at the graphic. When will DJ James Money perform? Number 100. According to the speaker, what will half of the money raised by ticket sales be used for?